The Digga MM10K is the perfect anchor drive for high torque applications on mini excavators, mini stand-on loaders, and smaller skid steers. It produces a theoretical torque of 10,000 foot-pounds at a max pressure of 3,000 PSI. It is fit with a low-profile gimbal four-way swing mounting concept, which allows it to be only 24 inches from the top of the hydraulic motor to the bottom of the output shaft, making it the most compact drive in its torque class on the market. This particular unit is shown with our Digga Halo alignment aid, which will allow you to either install your pile perfectly vertical or set an angle and for a battered pile and be able to hold that angle throughout the installation. It's also shown with a CMI torque hub. Now what this product does is it's strain gauge technology that allows you to both see the actual true measured torque in real time, and also has good software allow you to record all this data, print it off, download it, get it to your engineer record, project manager, whoever you wish to stamp off on it. Ensures that your torques are installed to the right torque and can handle the proper capacity they're designed to. If you'd like some additional information on our drives, please visit our website, www.diggausa.com. Do a bit of reading up on it. This particular unit, it's got an Eaton hydraulic motor, very efficient. Precision machine Digga gearbox, done completely in-house. Yeah, check us out on the website or give us a call at area code 563-875-7915. Our team in Dyersville, Iowa will be happy to assist, get you all the information you need and fit with the proper drive head.